Hi, my name is Ching Kitan, also known as Mr. Ching Positive. Right now for another portion of our Q&A, nanggagaling po to kay Rabbi Aquino. Sinabi niya may small business po ang husband ko na ID printing. Gusto po sanang magkaroon ng marketing strat kasi sila lang po ang nagpapatakbo ng business, kumbaga one-man band. Ano po kaya ang pwedeng maging strategy? Okay, or strategies? Thank you po. Rabbi, that's a very interesting question. Tamang-tama yung tanong mo. Actually, lahat ng negosyo kailangan po mayroong tinatawag na marketing effort. Marketing is what we call as awareness. Okay? When you say awareness, hindi ka kasi kakilala ng mga tao or let's say ng mga organization around your probably vicinity. Ang una is paano mo mapakakilala ang iyong sarili? Paano malalaman that your business exists if they don't know that you exist? So that's the reason why you need to market yourself. Again, when you say marketing, it's not selling. Prior to selling pa, it's called awareness. Kailangan malaman na buhay ka, malaman that you exist, malaman na yung negosyo mo nandun. The second thing that you need to do, you have to create a brand, okay? Yung ano yung brand mo. When, like for example, every product has a brand. When I say soft drinks, you say what? Coke. When I say toothpaste, you say what? Colgate. It's because it has a brand. And then once you have a brand, the third thing na kailangan mo gawin, you have to position yourself. When you say position, is how can you differentiate yourself from the market? Paano mo sabihin na yung ID printing mo ay mas iba sa ibang mga tinatawag na mga competition mo? Na ipoposition mo in a sense na you have to offer something that is new. You have to offer that what they are offering hindi makukuha sa kanila. So, yun yung makailangan na gawin mo. Number 1 is awareness. Number 2, again, is the brand. Create a brand. And number 3 is yung positioning ng iyong produkto. Okay? So, these are the 3 practical tips that I can give you as of this moment. For further questions, please do email me at chingkitan.com. If you want to also add me at my Twitter and my Facebook account, please, it's on the screen. Please just click like or subscribe. And ito rin pakiusap ko sa inyo, huwag kayong mahiya at mag-atubili na talagang sulatan ako because there are a lot of people who needs a lot of answers. Because in my program, I always say to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.